After I've used the items in the first aid kit, how do I put everything away?
I'm going to show you. The first thing I do is I start at the top and I move my way back upwards. What's great about this is that you can see where everything is. Normally with a normal kit, once you've used it, you don't really know how to put it back, and it will forever be disorganized. Not with this kit. Skin cleaning wipes, it's all labeled. It makes it easy to find something in an emergency, and it makes it easy to put it back once you've used it. And that is definitely what a lot of customers find very useful. Each item has its own compartment, and therefore once you familiarize yourself with the kit and where it goes, you can easily put everything back. But even if you aren't, it's labeled, so it makes it really easy to put everything back after use, and then you're good.